This is Interstate 10 westbound. This is where the tractor trailer crashed through the median guardrail. You can see that work crews are there now doing repairs. That was a high-profile collision that caused the death of 2 people. But along Interstate 10, there are other stretches of damaged guardrail between that location all the way down to Cabazon, some 30, maybe 40 miles. And those guardrails are not getting the attention for repair that high-profile crash got. What we need, not only in the state of California, but in every other state, we need urgency with regard to repairing guardrails and not leaving them for weeks and months at a time lying in a damaged state.